Okay. We are going to ride the elevator. Oh! I don't know what to do. It is going by itself. It is going up! Okay, so we are... We are going up to the 7th deck. Just kidding, 8th deck. Close the door. We keep going up. I think. Up or down?
Yeah, it's going up.
No. Just kidding, we're going up. We're on the main deck. Number 34. I do not know. Housekeeping.
Riviera deck.
Riviera deck.
Oh, we're on the 4th deck.
Quattro.
Do you guys ride the elevator often? Yeah.
Well, yeah, when we're going to work, yeah, this is the bus for us.
Oh, that's cool. That was a guy. He was an elevator master.
Mm-hmm. He rides the elevator every
Promenade
Oh, he's right down.
deck.
What is that? That is the top. Thank you.
Oh,
It's
crap.
called the Lido deck.
I was recording like this, so now when you watch it, you have to be like this.
Uh-oh.
Oh man.
Uh-oh. Ah! I got the elevator ate me. Oh, this is our cruise ship. That's a nice view for the people on the ocean. Yes, it is. Those are what you call Asian tables. Here on the deck of running. The running